pick it up.
Why sound look here?
Yo, Bridget, this I get old enough.
Through the last time you do it yourself and the water boy them running think of the toilet overflow. But now you're not so lucky.
I'm dead now.
Go play bend down sucky.
You mean bend down stocky?
No,
Outside na them outside.
bend down sucky. Come on, me touch you. You go bend down and sucky.
What? Yo, brother, you alright? Somebody did touch you when you're younger or something?
What kind of question that you ask, man?
Your father? Your uncle? Your grandfather?
My next door neighbor.
Jano.
Him the retarded. Me say something funny.
Yes, because you make somebody really molest you and I may have strength for you washed out of where, man.
Where you go? You see how you laugh
You
after
know
me?
look here, see it now, see it here.
You say for that, me go broke your back like conscience. And for that, me not go have no conscience.
Batty boss.
Um.